Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting announcement for all digital creators and blockchain enthusiasts out there. Introducing the MemeFi Airdrop, your chance to claim free tokens and join a revolutionary project. Let's dive in. MemeFi is an innovative blockchain project dedicated to revolutionizing digital creativity and ownership. By leveraging blockchain technology, MemeFi empowers users to explore and create in a decentralized virtual environment, sparking creativity like never before. With MemeFi, creators can securely and transparently own their digital assets, giving them unprecedented control over their work. Now, let's talk about how you can get involved with the MemeFi Airdrop and claim your free tokens. The process to join the MemeFi Airdrop is simple and straightforward. Here are the steps. Step 1. Registration. Begin by registering on the official MemeFi Airdrop website and creating your account. The registration process is quick and easy. Step 2. Verification. Complete any necessary identity verification steps, such as providing personal information or undergoing Know Your Customer (KYC) procedures. This ensures the security and legitimacy of all participants. Step 3. Participation. Once verified, you'll be eligible to participate in the airdrop program and receive free MemeFi tokens directly to your wallet. These tokens can be used within the MemeFi ecosystem, opening doors to various digital assets and opportunities. Now, let's explore the benefits of participating in the MemeFi Airdrop. First, you receive free tokens without any financial investment. Second, you get to join a dynamic and innovative community focused on digital creativity. Third, as the MemeFi platform evolves, the value of the tokens may increase, offering potential financial rewards. And finally, you'll gain early access to new features and updates within the MemeFi ecosystem. Seize the chance to claim your share of MemeFi tokens. Join the airdrop program today and embark on a journey to explore the boundless possibilities of digital ownership and creativity with MemeFi. The process is simple and rewarding, ensuring that you can start benefiting from the innovative features of MemeFi immediately. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to be part of the future of digital creativity. Register now, complete the verification, and start your journey with MemeFi today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.